Are you green with envy? Good day, my friends, and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris, and I'm the Batman statue collector right here on YouTube, and we do high-end statue collecting reviews and unboxings, but today we're actually going to be doing a hit or miss video for a brand new piece, well, not really, kind of brand new, but kind of not, from our friends over at Tweeterhead, and I'm talking about the Poison Ivy variant. Now, I, of course, have the original version. We've talked about it a lot here on the channel. Absolutely stunning piece, of course, Poison Ivy on throne. Does it get any better than that? But now we have a variant, a completely new color scheme. Obviously, we have the green Ivy, which is more modern Ivy these days, and they both look great. I've had both different versions over the years, green or traditional skin, but they always look phenomenal. And it's really cool that they're doing a variant on this piece. And so I want to talk about it. I want to show you all the information I have. And again, is it a hit or miss? Let's talk about it next. All right, everybody, let's dive right into this. And again, this is from our friends over at Tweeterhead. It is the Poison Ivy variant. You can say it's green with envy because she's absolutely gorgeous. This is 1/6 scale. And just look at that. Look at that. It is absolutely stunning. Now, of course, I have the original version, which you're going to see right here. Beautiful, beautiful sculpt. But there is something very special about this new one. You notice those great maroon colors, those beautiful kind of reddish colors with the darker tones. Really, really nice. And I think this is one of those pieces where if you're a Poison Ivy fan, I could see you having both of these. But I think it's awesome if you missed out on the first time or if you didn't love the first version. I've heard a lot of people already in the chat, already on Facebook saying, hey, this is the way better version. We like this one so much. And so I agree with that. I think it's very, very well done. And again, I tip my hat to Chad over at Tweeterhead and the entire design team. The art director, of course, Dave Igo. Just an incredible group of guys and, just people working on this incredible art. And I really appreciate what they're doing here. And again, it's just an alternative. So if you, again, didn't love the colors on the first one, this was going to be a one to perfectly complement it. This one, the ES has not been announced as of the recording of this. It does go up for pre-order this Thursday. So if you are wanting this one, as soon as it's up for pre-order, I will put the link down below. If you do use that link, as always, guys, that does help support the channel, so thank you very much for that, but never feel like you have to use that. It doesn't cost you anything or anything like that. But anyway, thank you for everybody that does use those links. And the retail price on this is going to be $3.99. You have to keep in mind that this is a sizable piece. There is the big throne, obviously, and then of course you have the beautiful sculpt of her as well. And speaking of beautiful sculpt, look how good the portrait looks in the green. It is so beautiful, so sensual. And I'm just very impressed with the overall skin tones. I was really worried about how they would do the skin next to the green on her, her top, her bodice. And I think it works very, very well. I think there's a great differentiation there. I also really like the color choices that they did with the difference in the leaves. They could have easily done a darker green or something like that. I think it would have been washed out. I think that the colors here are very, very well done. And I think this is going to be a big, big hit for them. I mean, look at that. It's just absolutely stunning. And again, I do feel like this is the better version between the two. But they're still both great. I'm not going to be trading mine in anytime soon. I'm really impressed with it. I really like it a lot. But this one, I tell you, there's something special about this one. And again, congratulations to everybody that bites the bullet on this one and adds it to their collection. Again, it's a sizable piece, but at 1/6 scale, it's not going to take up a tremendous amount of room. So please keep that in mind. And again, congratulations to Tweeterhead on another great piece. So as always, I'm going to turn it over to you. What do you guys think about this variant? Do you think it's awesome? Do you prefer the original color scheme? Do you like this one better? Please let me know your thoughts. I do think it's absolutely beautiful. I've been able to see this one develop over the years, and it's really, really neat to be able to see and to have something offered to us that we can choose. We can choose which one we like better. Obviously, this is a very, very beautiful take on the character. I would love to see Tweeterhead do additional versions of her over the next few years. I would like to see different Ivies because, again, there's been so many different Ivies, but this one is absolutely beautiful. I do want to hear your thoughts. I do think it's a hit. but I want to know your thoughts as well. Leave them in the comments down below. And with that said, I just want to thank you guys so very much for taking time out of your day to watch this content. Again, you guys absolutely mean the world to me. I cannot do this channel without you. You mean the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. Otherwise, just thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon right here in the Batcave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these two awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.